It is September Ixton unto E. And I'm making videos of a BNSF Tron. All the fucking sun is fucking up the... I gotta go over here where it's not in the sun. The sun fucks up the quality of the video. Of the Tron, and they don't put cabooses on Trons anymore, those fucking bastards. I remember when they used to put the cabooses on the Trons. But that was back in the days before I had a camcorder, and they were expensive, and they were big bulky pieces of shit. These Trons go by really fast. Now there's a red light there, so I don't see any signs of another Tron for a little while as I'm checking over there and over there. And as always, I'm so glad I have Asperger's, because I make the most interesting Tron videos in the world. Nobody makes more interesting Tron videos than I do. And if people don't like my videos, fuck them. They're not my friends anyway. Oh, and I missed the Earth Tron that got here, and it had cars with J.B. Hunt on it that rhyme with cunt. I'm the only person who talks about J.B. Hunt rhyming with cunt when I make... No J.B. Hunt rhymes with cunt on these Tron videos. And hopefully get a few more Tron videos while I'm here.